Welcome to this video on machine learning and its real-world applications. In this presentation, we will cover key concepts, types, and the learning process. Let's start with an overview of what we will discuss today. First, we will define machine learning and its core ideas. Then, we will explore supervised and unsupervised learning, as well as reinforcement learning. We will dive into practical applications, showing how machine learning solves real problems. Lastly, we will break down the steps in the machine learning process. This outline gives us a clear path to understanding these essential concepts. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that predicts outcomes from data. It combines computer science, mathematics, and statistics to identify patterns. Applications range from image recognition to robotics and predictive analytics. The machine learning process has 4 key steps. First, model training estimates parameters and minimizes errors using training data. Second, model validation ensures assumptions are satisfied and refines parameters. Third, model evaluation measures performance on new data using metrics like accuracy. Finally, model interpretation explains how the model makes decisions and its impact. There are 3 main types of machine learning. Supervised learning predicts a known output based on labeled input data. Unsupervised learning identifies patterns in data without labeled outputs. Reinforcement learning uses feedback to optimize decisions in an environment. Supervised learning is ideal for tasks with known outputs, such as price prediction. For instance, we can predict Airbnb prices based on features like location and fees. This involves regression or classification tasks depending on the data type. Unsupervised learning is used to find hidden patterns in unlabeled data. An example is grouping Airbnb hosts into categories based on their features. This technique uses clustering to organize data points into meaningful groups. Reinforcement learning focuses on optimizing decisions through trial and feedback. For example, adjusting Airbnb prices based on user interactions involves rewards or penalties. This helps learn the best strategies for pricing dynamically. Machine learning has countless applications across industries. Image recognition identifies objects or patterns in photographs and videos. In medicine, it predicts disease risks or diagnoses from patient data. Robotics uses machine learning to enable intelligent, autonomous operations. Businesses apply predictive analytics to improve decision-making and strategies. To summarize, machine learning is a powerful tool for predicting outcomes and finding patterns. Supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning each address unique challenges. Applications span industries like healthcare, robotics, and business, showcasing its versatility. The machine learning process ensures models are accurate, reliable, and interpretable. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on data science and technology. See you next time.